Good morning, everyone. As the sun rises over California, painting the sky with soft hues of gold and pink, there's a sense of anticipation in the air. Today isn't just any ordinary morning, there's a feeling that something big is on the way, and all eyes are turning to the horizon. After weeks of dry, almost summer-like weather, a dramatic shift is finally coming for California. A massive storm system, visible from space, is barreling toward the west coast. Meteorologists are calling this one of the most significant weather events of the season, with forecasts predicting a month's worth of rain and snow to fall in just a matter of days. The Pacific Ocean, usually calm and blue, now churns with energy as this powerful system gathers strength, preparing to unleash its full force on the state. This is the kind of weather event California has been waiting for after such a prolonged dry spell. The atmosphere is loaded with moisture, primed to deliver heavy rain and snow from the Oregon border all the way down to Mexico. Millions of people across the state are watching the skies, knowing that this storm could bring both relief and new challenges. The scale of this system is immense, stretching hundreds of miles, and promising to impact nearly every corner of California. But this isn't just a passing shower, it's a major atmospheric river event, a powerful conveyor belt of Pacific moisture aimed directly at California. The first of two storms is set to arrive this weekend, bringing with it not only torrential rain, but also strong winds and the potential for flooding. These atmospheric rivers are known for their ability to dump huge amounts of water in a short period, and this one is no exception. Residents are being urged to prepare for rapidly changing conditions. The stubborn high-pressure system that kept storms at bay has finally broken down, opening the door for this potent weathermaker to move in. For many, this means desperately needed precipitation to help replenish reservoirs and ease drought conditions. But with the rain comes risk. Flash flooding, mudslides, and hazardous travel are all possible as the storm intensifies. Streets that have been dry for weeks could soon be rushing with water, and winds may bring down trees and power lines. From the rugged coastline to the snow-capped mountains, communities across California are bracing for a dramatic shift in the weather. Residents are busy preparing, sandbagging, securing outdoor items, and checking emergency supplies. The sense of urgency is real, but so is the hope that this storm will bring much-needed relief to parched landscapes. Get ready, California. The skies are about to open up, and a new chapter in this season's weather story is about to begin. The storm won't hit everywhere at once. Instead, it will unfold in waves, impacting different parts of California at different times. This isn't just a local downpour, it's a coordinated weather event that will sweep across the entire state, affecting millions of people from the redwoods in the north to the beaches in the south. It starts in the north, with the first signs of the storm appearing as clouds thicken and winds pick up. The system then slowly marches southward, following the spine of the state, bringing with it a dramatic shift in weather for each region it passes. Rain begins in northwestern California late Saturday, soaking the towering redwoods and saturating the forest floor. By nightfall, wet roads and steady showers become the norm in Northern California, and radar images show the rain spreading steadily, reaching the central coast by Sunday morning. Residents in these areas will wake up to the sound of rainfall and the sight of water pooling on streets and fields. By Monday morning, the entire state will feel the effects. Weather warnings will be in place from the Oregon border all the way down to San Diego, as rain and wind sweep through cities, towns, and rural communities alike. No region will be untouched by this powerful system. The Bay Area will see heavy rain late Sunday through Monday, with streets flooding and rivers rising. In Los Angeles, the storm arrives in full force on Monday, drenching the city and surrounding areas. The peak of the storm in LA is expected around lunchtime, when rainfall rates could be intense and visibility will drop dramatically. San Diego's heaviest rain arrives late Monday afternoon, as the tail end of the system sweeps through. Residents there should prepare for a sudden transition from cloudy skies to heavy downpours, with the potential for localized flooding in low-lying areas. This is a classic atmospheric river event, with the jet stream acting like a fire hose, directing a steady stream of Pacific moisture straight at the west coast. These types of storms are known for their ability to deliver huge amounts of rain in a short period, and this one is no exception. The storm's slow pace means some areas will see prolonged rain, with showers lingering for hours or even days. This extended rainfall increases the risk of flooding, especially in places where the ground is already saturated or drainage systems are overwhelmed. For Northern California, the main event is Sunday night into Monday, with the heaviest rain and strongest winds expected during this window. For Central and Southern California, Monday is the day to be alert, as the storm's core moves through, bringing the highest risk of flooding, power outages, and travel disruptions. This isn't a quick storm. It's a steady, heavy dose of rain and snow over 48 hours. In the mountains, snow will pile up rapidly, creating dangerous travel conditions and increasing avalanche risk. In the valleys and cities, the relentless rain will test infrastructure and emergency response teams. Everyone should prepare for disruptions, whether it's power outages, road closures, or flooding. Stock up on essentials, check your emergency kits, and stay informed as the situation develops. This is a statewide event that will require everyone's attention and caution. Let's talk numbers. The rainfall totals are impressive. The Bay Area could see a month's worth of rain in just 2 days. Los Angeles is bracing for a significant drenching, especially Monday, with heavy downpours and street flooding. Even Sacramento and Palm Springs are in line for a healthy soaking. The main concern flooding, especially in urban areas like LA and San Francisco, where storm drains can be overwhelmed. Dangerous driving conditions and travel delays are likely. If you encounter a flooded roadway, remember, turn around, don't drown. San Diego's heaviest rain is timed for Monday evening, causing similar urban flooding risks. Coastal areas from Santa Barbara to San Diego are at high risk. The sheer volume of water is the primary concern. While the rain is needed, its intensity could create problems. Stay informed and be ready for rapidly changing conditions. Heavy rain brings real dangers. When a powerful storm sweeps through, it can transform familiar neighborhoods and city streets into hazardous zones in a matter of minutes. The relentless downpour reduces visibility, makes roads slick, and increases the risk of accidents for drivers and pedestrians alike. Flooding is the most immediate threat. Streets and highways can quickly turn into rivers. Even a few inches of fast-moving water can sweep away vehicles, and deeper flooding can trap people in their homes or cars. Urban areas are especially vulnerable, as storm drains can quickly become overwhelmed, leading to widespread water accumulation. Low-lying areas and underpasses can fill with water in minutes, creating hazardous driving and road closures. Emergency crews may struggle to reach those in need, and blocked roads can delay critical help. It's important to avoid these areas and never attempt to drive through flooded roadways. Mudslides and debris flows are a serious concern, especially in wildfire burn areas where the soil can't absorb water. When heavy rain falls on hillsides stripped of vegetation, the ground can quickly give way, sending mud, rocks, and debris hurtling downhill. These events can destroy homes, block roads, and put lives at risk in seconds. These flows can happen with little warning. Have an evacuation plan if you're in a risk zone. Listen for emergency alerts and be ready to leave at a moment's notice. Your safety depends on quick action and preparation. Southern California faces a threat of severe weather Monday, including strong thunderstorms, damaging winds, hail, and even a brief tornado or waterspout. These conditions can cause power outages, topple trees, and damage property. Lightning strikes are also a risk, so it's best to stay indoors and away from windows during the height of the storm. Road closures are likely, especially in mountain passes due to heavy snow. Blinding whiteout conditions and icy surfaces make travel treacherous, and stranded vehicles can block emergency response efforts. If you must travel, carry chains and emergency supplies, and be prepared for long delays. Key routes like Interstate 80 over Donner Pass and I-5 near the Oregon border could be closed for extended periods. Snowplows and emergency crews will work around the clock, but conditions may remain dangerous for days. Always check for updates before setting out. Check road conditions before heading out. Use official sources and real-time traffic maps to avoid closed or hazardous routes. Staying informed can help you make safer decisions and avoid getting stranded. This storm demands respect. Being prepared is the best way to stay safe. Stock up on essentials, secure outdoor items, and have a plan for power outages. If you live in a flood-prone area, sandbagging and moving valuables to higher ground can make a big difference. Avoid unnecessary travel during the peak of the storm. The safest place to be is indoors, away from floodwaters and high winds. By taking these precautions, you can protect yourself, your loved ones, and your community from the dangers of a powerful storm. While lower elevations brace for rain, the Sierra Nevada is preparing for a massive snowstorm. We're forecasting feet, not inches, of new snow, with ski resorts expecting 3 to 5 feet by Tuesday. Donner Pass could see 2 to 4 feet, likely leading to extended closures. Travel through the Sierra will be difficult, if not impossible. Northern California mountains will also see significant snow, impacting routes like I-5 over Siskiyou Summit. Anyone traveling north into Oregon should prepare for winter driving and possible long delays. This is a dramatic turnaround for the Sierra, which has seen little snow this season. The storm will provide a huge boost to the snowpack. While it creates travel headaches, this snowfall is exactly what California needs for its water supply. By midweek, the mountains will look and feel transformed. The Sierra Snowpack is California's lifeline. It acts as a massive, frozen reservoir, slowly releasing water into rivers and reservoirs as it melts in spring and summer. Millions rely on this water for drinking, farming, and industry. Before this storm, the snowpack was lagging behind average due to a long dry spell. A below-average snowpack can mean water shortages and restrictions later in the year. This storm is a critical deposit into our water savings account. 3 to 5 feet of new snow will help close the gap and boost seasonal totals. The snow is wet and heavy, perfect for building a deep, resilient snowpack. Short-term travel disruptions are a small price for long-term water security. This event will help replenish reservoirs and buffer against drought. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected our climate and water systems are. We need these big winter storms to thrive. California isn't the only state affected. As the storm moves east, it brings rain and significant mountain snow to Nevada, Arizona, Utah, and Colorado. Utah, especially, is hoping for relief after a snowless winter. Salt Lake City could finally see its first real snowfall. The Wasatch Range and Colorado Rockies are expecting several inches to over a foot of new snow. This is great news for ski resorts and water supplies, helping these states catch up on their snowpack. The impact will be felt across the entire western U.S. Weather systems don't recognize state lines. This storm's benefits will spread far and wide. The moisture that drenches California today will blanket Utah and Colorado tomorrow. As we clean up from this first storm, another is already on the way. A second, colder system is forecast to arrive mid-week, tapping into air from the Gulf of Alaska. This means lower snow levels and a different set of impacts. Some areas getting rain now could see snow from the next storm, creating new travel problems. The details are still coming into focus, but the active pattern is here to stay. This 1-2 punch is exactly what we needed to break the dry spell. Don't put away your rain gear yet. Another round of active weather is coming. These back-to-back storms are a game changer. After a month of dry weather, California and the West were falling behind in the race to build up rain and snow for the dry season. This active pattern is a welcome course correction, delivering desperately needed moisture. California's climate is boom or bust. Most annual precipitation comes from a few big storms like these. Despite the travel headaches and hazards, these storms are essential for our environment, economy, and communities. The benefits extend beyond California, replenishing snowpacks vital for the entire Colorado River system. As the rain falls and snow piles up, it's a moment to feel relief. Nature is refilling the tank. This is the storm system we've been waiting for, a wet, messy, and wonderful gift for the West.